Hello everyone, Piotr speaking. This is a short update for the forex market. I'd like to show you a few points regarding the current situation on the forex market. On the Euro USD, we've got this break through this resistance line. Okay, but the issue is, the point is, okay, so that was already a break. Yeah, the market broke through this, broke this resistance line. And this is actually already a long trade setup for some traders, and you should place at least below that low, and this will be a better one. So this is more than 140 or 50 pips stop loss. It's a huge stop loss. It's a long stop loss. So that is the reason I'm not sending it. It's too long. Okay, I don't want people to lose that many pips. But anyway, the question is whether this movement, whether this is a new impulse, whether this is an impulse or this is something else. This is correction, still a correction. It looks like we have ended this downward movement here, and this is a new correction. Yeah? So this is a new movement to the upside, and this could be yeah, that should be an ABC correction, and we could have 1 2 1 2, and here could be a second 2, and I will see how the market will react in this area. Should the market show some forces to the upside, I may send you a long signal. Okay, so that is the Euro USD. Of course, this is this negative situation, because the MACD broke through this zero line. And on the monthly, we have tested or retested this candle. Okay, so we still can move to the upside. And on the weekly, I've already explained it. This is in 3. This is another 3, and this should be a 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so there should be another move to the upside in order to end this formation. Yeah, so. So there are chances to go to the upside. Definitely there are chances to go to the upside. That's the question is whether the market will try to retest those lows here once again, because I think there is some indecision in the market regarding this situation here, or we are making a new impulse, a new move to the downside. This is also possible. So the move 1 2 3, this is in ABC. This was ended, and we've got a new impulse to the downside. But I will leave it at that, like that at the moment. Okay, Euro Japanese yen. There was a signal sent 2 days ago, I guess. Yeah, on Monday, the 11th. This was this sell limit, very precise with this entry. The entry was here, and the market almost reached this TP1. But I have moved stop loss to the break-even point, so that's why I'm having 0 pips here. And this is another example for you to remember, or to ask yourself whether is it important to move stop loss to the break-even point if you have already reached or almost reached one that take profits, or you just leave it. In my opinion, it's quite important sometimes to move either to take profits, just take the profits, because okay, we're close to the take profit, or you have to move the stop loss to the break-even in such a situation. Okay, if you say, okay, I will leave it, I'm not taking it, I'm waiting for the higher ones. Yeah, so I'll try to make more profits, but in this case it wasn't possible. The market is constantly going to the upside, and I think it will keep going up, because most probably we did A, B, a bigger C, and we are moving to the upside. This is a support line which may be retested once again very, very soon, maybe today even. Maybe even today. And we've got this red on the weekly, and I told you I was wondering whether we can make another high here, and most probably the market is willing to make this high, okay, because of this reaction here. So we will see how the market will react in this area. I would like to have a short position because I was waiting for this to move to the downside, and but in order to be profitable, it's not the question of taking the good trade setups. Sometimes it's also important not to enter into a position where you can lose money, where you can have a stop loss. Okay, so that's why I didn't enter into a short position anywhere else here. Okay, this is a surprise for the market, yeah, because you can see a strong move to the downside and now constantly going to the upside there, unfortunately. Okay, I had a stop loss here. Okay, I had a position around that level here. Okay, higher when we were here. Okay, the market moved to the downside, triggered my stop loss, and now it's in plus, unfortunately. Yeah, this happens sometimes as well. Okay, good. So that's the most important, I think. On the 30 minutes, you can see we are in the sideways, and most probably will break either to the upside or to the downside. Yeah, if you can see some reversal patterns on the candles here, this will be a good sign for the market that the willingness to go to the upside is stronger. So there are more forces to the upside. Good. Great Pound, Japanese yen. There was a signal yesterday for that. This is those 100 pips, and you can see how the market moved to the downside, and that was that level. So this is 159.07. I had here 13, so 159.13, 14. That was the top, and so I'll send you this sell signal. And what I would like to show you today in this video is because there was the stop loss was placed at 159.29, so this is 15 pips. This is 1 to 2. Okay, so that's why I had this 89 as a take profit, as a first take profit. Okay, and the market actually did almost the third one as well, so it's reached almost the third one as well. Yeah, almost, yeah. So that's why I closed the hand. So this is why the strong reaction here, and you should consider some traders or people who are entering into such positions. They sometimes have a very tight stop loss, like 5 pips, 6 pips, or maximum 10 pips. So they've got risk reward 1 to 3. Okay, if they play 5 pips or 6 pips, 1 to 5, even 1 to 6 already here. So this is a very good risk reward for them. So that's why you should ask yourself what the others may have, what kind of risk reward they may have. Yeah. So be not surprised or catched with such situations. Okay. So sometimes you have to take profits as well. So that is important. Okay. This looks like a first wave to the upside because of this green and the possibility to move to the upside on the weekly and on the monthly. On a daily, yeah, we are fighting here with this support line, and yeah, that's the 4 hours chart. Yeah, and it looks also like a triangle, and we may break through this resistance line. Okay, this may take some time, but finally we can break through this resistance line, which will bring the market to the upside. Yeah, so yeah, that's why the market is reacting so close or so precisely to those on those lines. Yeah, and we may retest those lines somewhere here, this support line today once again, because I think this is not ended yet. It has not ended yet, and yeah, there are some chances for the market to continue this movement. Just in order to make a proper move. It was a bit too fast, yeah. So that the market reached this level. This is a very typical level for a second wave. Very typical, but it was very fast. It was too fast. So the market needs time, just in order, okay, to understand. Okay, yeah, that is the second wave, and now we can move to the upside. Okay. So that's the Great Britain pound, Japanese yen. Okay, it's already almost, it's past 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock London time. So the markets are waking up, and the traders are already entering into the market. So that's why the market is reacting in that way. Okay, let's take the USD Japanese yen. This is this big triangle, and I think there are chances that we did this D leg, yeah, which could be actually a zigzag 5-3-3-5, because this could be a 5, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5, another 5. So the market may end this move here, somewhere here, and start falling down to this E leg, and then finally to the upside. Okay. This might be tricky. I mean, triangles, especially such a big one, that might be tricky. This is the same triangle on the weekly, and you can see the break through this resistance line was already retested, or there is a retesting of this break. But I'm not so sure whether this, because it was previously like that. So that's the retesting. Already move it, adjust it a little bit higher. I don't think it's already this break out of this triangle, because the break is usually very strong, very fast. So we may retest this line, those lows here. Some even try to break through this line, and this happens with the E leg. Where by the E, the market may think, okay, we should go to a downside, but finally moves reverse once again and go to the upside, strongly to the upside. And this is a surprise for many participants. Okay, so you should be aware of it and be prepared for that. Okay, so this is Great Britain pound USD. The current situation here, we are testing this support line, and those support lines from the monthly candle, from the monthly chart. And I've already placed this blue Fibo 100 and waiting for the trend following to develop. But in order to have it, the market should make another correction and then start falling down. Yeah, I think the market is in indecision a little bit. Yeah, if you read, or if you check the descriptions of the first wave, according to Elliott called it unobtrusive. Unobtrusive means it's not visible. Yeah, you cannot. It's not that easy to see, to locate it, to be sure that you have the first wave. Yeah, unobtrusive. Yeah, so that's why it's really unobtrusive. Yeah, you cannot. It's not that easy to be sure that you are already in the first wave, and there should be a second wave and third wave, the strongest one. Okay, so this has reached a level typical for a second wave correction. Okay, this one. Okay, but this looks like a 5 to the upside. This looks like a 5 to the upside, like an impulse to the upside. So a little bit confusing. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so yeah, I've got here another level. Because of this downward movement, there were some chances for this downward movement to go that low, to reach this low even. Okay, so around this 158.30. Okay. Yeah, we'll see. I will leave it like that at the moment. If this is N1 and 2, so this could be a 3, another 4, and then 5. Okay, and after that the market has reached 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay. Let's leave it like that at the moment. Yeah, I'm not so sure. I do not want to say anything which may not help you. Okay, so this could be a bit easier. Okay, so wait for the retesting and then this downward move, because I think the market is looking and looking for the final move to the downside. Yeah. So this is what the market is expecting, and that's why there was this very precise reaction on this 88.6 level here. So the market was not able to break through this. So you can see how strong. There was a few times the market has tried to break it a few times, but has failed each time. And now we could have the final move to the strongest third to the downside, which will be strong. Okay, so now the gold. What is gold doing? Okay, so there's another level for the second wave. As a C, an A, B, and C around this level here, and it looks like the market is falling down. Yeah, it's already felt to that 78.6 and reached this 88.6. Okay, so, and actually, yeah, this could be because this 123.6, this could be a C as well, yeah, for the whole move. Okay, and there is another point. This could have been a 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4 as A, B, C, and then the final move to the downside. This is also possible. So a two alternative scenario. Okay, so I cannot say anything more about it. In my opinion, this is negative. This is negative. This break through this zero line of this MACD indicator. Okay. The red candles on a weekly, and you can see the market wasn't able to break through this to keep this broken levels here, move to the downside again. So we have to wait for another. This was strong. Maybe we'll have another one here. So first one, second one, maybe by the third one we'll have a final move to the upside. We'll see. Okay, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.